What is up, guys? It's Chris Everett Chris, and welcome back to another episode of Quick Tips with Chris. In today's episode, I'm gonna quickly show you how to pair your phone as a key and how to use your Tesla key card. Unlike all cars, Teslas don't come with a physical key, just a key card. So first, the key card tells you where to place it on the door pillar to lock or unlock the car. However, I always thought it was higher on the pillar. It's actually halfway between the camera and the bottom of the pillar. Once you place it on there, the car will lock or unlock. Now, to start the car with the key card, the car also tells you where to place the key to start the car. But you want to place it below the cup holders. Press on the brake to start the car, and then you can remove the key card. You don't have to keep the key card there the whole time. Next up is your phone. The Tesla does a great job 99% of the time recognizing your phone and unlocking the car and locking the car on its own. To use your phone as a key, you can enable things like automatic door lock, where you just walk away from the car and the door locks, as well as syncing your device with a specific driver profile. This is perfect if you have multiple people driving your car. To sync your phone, simply make sure you have the Tesla app and your account, and that's synced to that car. Then go to locks, click on the plus icon, and that's it. It does it so fast. Now you can sync your phone to your Bluetooth, which allows things like priority device, where it tries to sync to that phone right away if there's another phone nearby, and syncing messages and all that good stuff. And once that's done, you can link your driver profile to your phone easily by simply loading up the driver profile and clicking the little person next to the phone, and it'll show what driver profile is synced to that key. And that's it. It's super easy to do. It's a small thing, but something you need to do when you first get your Tesla. But thanks for watching my video, guys, and I'll see you guys next time.